I didn't grow much. It was like... What is going on, guys? I'm welcoming you to Wrenchettes. When I want to work in this beautiful MKS and my G35 and my motorsport, but a life as well. Today's a video that I didn't thought I would ever make, but it has come to my attention that there's no progress on this channel. So therefore, I am sadly announcing that I am closing shop on Wrenchettes today. And I have a few reasons for it. It's not just like I'm just gonna quit or leave. I mean, first of all, one, I did not quit. I gave it all, I gave all my attention to YouTube. I even started working for 1 full year to do YouTube full time to see how it was gonna do. And that plan failed miserably. I lost like $50,000 because I didn't make much, I didn't grow much. It was like... Second, the main reason that I'm shutting it down is because I'm spending too much time and devoting too much thought and creativity to YouTube, and I have no return, right? Like when you invest in something, you expect return, and I've gotten nothing for the past, I think, 3 years now, 4 years that I've been doing YouTube with Wrenchettes, and it's nothing. And third, I ain't getting no comments, man. I ain't getting no love. Not even the like button you guys hit, man. I mean, the least the people can do is just hit the like button or the dislike button, whatever it is. I need feedback. I needed feedback because now it doesn't matter, but that is what I needed. And nobody, no likes, no dislikes, no comments, no nothing, barely subscribers. It's like, come on, man. I'm gonna devote myself to my fourth reason that I'm shutting it down, which is Instagram. I just love Instagram now, man. Now I'm gonna give my 100% creativity and my thoughts to Instagram because people like my stuff there for some reason. Like my G is okay in popularity. People know the G already, you know what I mean? Like, I like the feedback that they give me, man. It's not a lot, but they give feedback, and that's what I love, man. It's something that YouTube is not providing in the mere least, at least to keep me going. Not even that, man. So yeah, those are the 4 reasons that I'm shutting Wrenchettes down. And I want to thank all my real supporters out there. Yeah, if you want to still keep in contact with me, you can do so on my Instagram, which I put it in the screen right now. And just go follow me there and keep in touch. Say what's up. I say what's up back. And that's what it's all about, you know what I'm saying? And before I go, I just want to say one thing. April Fools.